Thanks to Foxstar. Thanks to Phantom, Vikas, Vikram, Vijay Singh, Dina, whole lot of people. Thanks to RK, who read the script in a flight and called me and said that, "Ye film main kar raha hu." The moment he landed, he called me before he got out of the flight. And Anushka, who's been on board before anybody, Manish Chaudhary, KK, Vivan, and the man who was cast at the last moment, Karan Johar. So, before I proceed, let me first show you the second trailer of the film. With the second trailer, we kickstart the actual promotions of the film. Can we have the trailer, please? Again, please. एक बार और. Let me first invite on stage my two partners in crime who believed in this dream. It's an impossible dream to believe in. And can I have Vikram Motwani on stage, please? My producer. And Vikas Behel. And Vikas Behel, I think he's still on the way. And the one man who made it possible for us to realize this dream, Mr. Vijay Singh, please. And now I think it's the time to invite the cast of the film. So let me first introduce the heartthrob of the country, the heartthrob of Bandra, the sexiest man in Bandra, Karan Johar. And now I'll call the second most popular man in the film, in Bandra, Johnny Balraj, Ranbir Kapoor. That's how he is introduced in the film as well. So that's how he fumbles into the film. And now the first person who actually came on board on the film, much before the film started, somebody who showed her faith much before I even spread out the script anywhere, Anushka Sharma, Rosie Norona. Is Satu के हमारे बाकी एक्टर्स अभी आ रहे हैं. Satdeep Mishra, KK Menon, Manish Chaudhary, they're all on the way. There's also another actor who plays Karan Johar's henchman and is also a writer of the film, Vasan Bala. He's standing right there. Can you please stand up? और आज आपको जो सवाल पूछने हैं, आपने मतलब इतनी कहानियां सुनी इस पिक्चर के बारे में, सारी दुनिया ने, और मैं पढ़ के थक गया हूं कि क्या क्या हमारी फिल्मों के बारे में बात हो रही है. तो आज जो पूछना आप पूछ सकते हैं, सारे सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. और बिफोर दैट, विजय टेबल क्या है? मधु का एक रूल है, वो कभी फिल्म में अपना नाम एज अ प्रोड्यूसर डालते नहीं है, लेकिन हमारे पीछे खड़े रहते हैं हमेशा.
हेलो अनुराग जी.
Karan, you want to say something about the film?
I should say that about Anurag. Firstly, I'd like to thank all the members of the media for coming in such large numbers. As you know, this has been our second and important theatrical unit that we released just now as we speak online. The film actually has been open to conjecture from the time that actually it started, and even pre-release, the buzz and banter about it continues. All I have to say personally, I think it's been the most exhilarating experience of my life, being directed by Anurag Kashyap, from a man, from a relationship that began with hate that is now culminated into intense love, and there is absolutely no pun in that thought. It's really been quite a journey for me in the film, and working under him has been like going to film school. I felt I had to unlearn everything I ever knew about cinema and actually learn something absolutely new. Working with the two of them, actually Anushka and I did very few days of work, but the few days were memorable. And Ranbir actually co-directed the film with Anurag, where I'm concerned, because Anurag would give me one instruction and Ranbir would give me 3 others. Most of my scenes were with him, so I felt I was being directed by him as well. And I have to say, Ranbir has the makings of a great filmmaker, which is a great fallback plan for him if all things do fail. I have to say a big word to Phantom, which I think has been putting out such tremendous content almost about 3 or 4 times a year. I think truly this film will kind of cement and seal that when it comes to new age path-breaking content, Phantom is definitely the one-stop shop. And I think supported so superbly and dynamically by Fox Star. Vijay, thank you very much for lending such tremendous support into this type of cinema. There is always so much that is said about cinema like this, where they say, you know, is this mainstream, is it commercial? But eventually we all have to know a good film is a good film and you should not categorize it. And Bombay Velvet is that film. It's a good film. And I think thank you. When it comes to the funding, I think that's most critical for a film with a vision. And I think Fox Star pulled all stops to execute the film in its best possible way. So thank you. Thank you to the entire team at Fox, the marketing team, the production team, the distribution, all of them. And I think I've behaved like I have funded this film. I've spoken so much. So I'm going to now pass the mic on to Anushka, who's going to sing a song like she does on stage.
No. I think Karan has said a lot, and we all are in agreement. As Ranbir was yet again directing Karan and saying, "Let's open the floor for questions." I would like to now call this press conference open.
Anushka ji, this is Rajinder Singh from Makarana magazine. It's a Bollywood magazine. पहला सवाल तो आपसे मेरा अनुराग जी से था, वो मैं कर लूँगा बाद में. आपसे करता हूँ कि आपने NH10 की, पीके की, अब आप हैट्रिक में आपका क्या इरादा है?
हैट्रिक में क्या इरादे तो बहुत अच्छे हैं, और ऐसे सारे आसार लग भी रहे हैं कि ये पिक्चर भी लोगों को खूब पसंद आएगी. लेकिन बाकी तो हमको देखना पड़ेगा 15 मई को रिलीज़ के बाद लोग क्या सोचते हैं. लेकिन हमने बहुत ही ज़्यादा मेहनत और प्यार से इस फिल्म को बनाया. हर एक इंसान ने, हम एक्टर्स ने, फिल्म मेकर जिन्होंने इस फिल्म को पुटअप किया है, जो इस स्टेज पे हैं, और जिन्होंने जो लोग ने इस फिल्म पे काम किया है. सो वी जस्ट होपिंग कि जिस प्यार से हमने इस फिल्म को बनाया है और जितना बिलीव हमें था, वो लोगों को देखने को मिलेगा जब वो फिल्म देखेंगे.
थैंक यू.
दो अनुराग को.
अनुराग, थैंक यू. अनुराग जी, आपने खासकर करण जी में क्या बात देखी कि इतना ज़बरदस्त रोल कर पाएंगे? जरा बताइए, आपने कैसे कन्विंस किया, वो कैसे तैयार हुए?
क्या है? हेलो, आपने मुझ में खामी क्या देखी कि आपने ये सवाल किया?
आपने बहुत
दिख नहीं रहा इतना सेक्सी सा आदमी हुआ, कोई भी कास्ट करेगा मुझे.
उन्होंने आपके बारे में, बैंड्रा के बारे में बताया. पूरे बॉम्बे, पूरे इंडिया में सेक्सी हैं, लेकिन आपने काम बड़ा अच्छा किया. तो आपने क्या देखी बात?
आपने ट्रेलर देखा?
बहुत अच्छा हुआ.
और ट्रेलर में आपको कैसा लगा?
बहुत बढ़िया.
अगर वो आपने देखा, वो एक्चुअली ट्रेलर है. आप जब फिल्म देखेंगे और फिल्म देखने के बाद आपको लगेगा कि इससे अच्छी कास्टिंग कोई हो नहीं सकती थी. मैं आपको एक फैक्ट बात बताता हूँ. करण जी को मैं नरेट करने गया था. उसके पहले हम लोग नसीर जी और बहुत सारे दूसरे एक्टर्स से बात कर रहे थे, और बातें कभी कंप्लीट नहीं हुई थी. जब मैंने करण को कास्ट किया, पहला मैसेज मुझे नसीरुद्दीन शाह का आया, क्योंकि वो रोल जानते थे. उन्होंने कहा, दिस इज द मोस्ट इंस्पायर्ड कास्टिंग आई हैव एवर सीन इन माय लाइफ, बिकॉज ही इज योर खम्बाटा. ये नसीरुद्दीन शाह ने मुझे मैसेज करके बोला.
आई वॉज इंस्पायर्ड एंड चीप बाय द वे, क्योंकि मैंने ये पिक्चर 11 रुपए में की है. मैं ये बार बार कहना चाहूंगा कि आई हैव बीन एक्सप्लॉइटेड.
करण हमारे बजट को बढ़ा नहीं पाए.
हाँ, मुझे 11 रुपए, बाकायदा 11 रुपए का चेक मुझे मिला है फैंटम से, तो इसलिए मैं इंस्पायर्ड हूँ और थोड़ा सस्ता भी.
बट इट वाज अ ग्रेट एक्सपेरिमेंट बाय कश्यप साहब.
No, I'm so happy he said yes to the film, and when you see him in the film, you'll see that there's nobody else who could have been Khambata.
Hi Ranbir, Alok here from OFM, आपके लेफ्ट में. सवाल है कि 60s का लुक था आपका, जॉनी बलराज बनना था, तो एग्जैक्टली जब हम ये पोस्टर देखते हैं और आपको देखते हैं, तो कितनी प्रिपरेशन आपकी खुद की थी इस पर्टिकुलर रोल के लिए?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. ये this film starts in the 50s and 60s. Of course, superficial references तो बहुत थे. He wanted to refer to Robert De Niro from Raging Bull, back home Kishore Kumar, Raj Kapoor. But those were just superficial references. जहाँ preparation की बात है, I think the entire technical side of Bombay Velvet did so much of research for 8 years. जहाँ sets की बात है, जहाँ cinematography है. If you see the making also, a lot of work has gone. So when 3 of us came on set, it was very easy for us because we were transported into this world of 50s. We came in hair, costume, wardrobe, and it just felt like it. जो trams बनाए थे, the junior artists, intricate details like जो Bombay Velvet में जो plates थे, napkins था, Rosie का जो green room था, उसमें the small properties. I think a lot of detailing has gone by the technical side, and I think all the research work, all the preparation that an actor should do was done by them. So I think that really helped us a lot.